In this video, you'll learn how to copy your Litecoin wallet address to Trust Wallet. By following these steps, you will successfully obtain your wallet address for transactions. Start by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Google homepage. Ensure that your internet connection is stable for a smooth experience. Next, locate the Trust Wallet extension in your browser. If you have not yet installed it, you'll need to do so from the browser's extension store. Click on the Trust Wallet icon to open the extension interface. Once the Trust Wallet interface is visible, look for the option labeled Fund. This option is typically located on the main dashboard of the extension. Click on Fund to proceed to the next step. After this, select the option that says Receive from another wallet. This allows you to access the wallet addresses for the cryptocurrencies you hold. Clicking this will take you to the receiving options. Now you will see an option labeled Choose a Crypto. Click on this to open a list of available cryptocurrencies supported by Trust Wallet. You will then see a search bar. Click on it to activate the input field. This allows you to enter the name of the cryptocurrency you wish to find quickly. Type in Litecoin in the search bar. As you type, the interface will filter the results to show relevant options. Make sure to spell it correctly to find the right cryptocurrency. Once you see the Litecoin option, confirm that it is the correct one you want to choose. Click on the Litecoin entry to select it. Now, look for the copy button on the screen. Clicking this will copy your Litecoin wallet address to your clipboard, making it easy to paste elsewhere. Finally, if you want to scan a QR code, locate the option labeled Scan QR. This can be useful for quickly sharing your wallet address with another user application. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.